Alright, so today I'm removing the standard Sur-Ron fender for the Fast Ace forks, and I'm going to be installing the YZ65 front fender. The YZ65 fender uses a different bolt pattern, so I put a little 3x3 inch cutout of cardboard on the fender, and I'm going to make a little template, and we're going to have to drill this fender to fit. Alright guys, so my original template idea didn't work since the Sharpie was just, I couldn't get in there good enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply grease to each of the individual posts that the fender mounts to, and then I'm going to press the YZ65 fender to these posts, and it's going to show where the mount holes are. Alright guys, so after a few attempts, my template kind of worked. It looks ugly right now, but I can tell where the center of each bolt is, and that's all we need. Alright, so I'm only going one step down on the step bit. Make sure that's center. Alright guys, so I have the fender drilled and ready to go. As you can see, these are the factory YZ65 mounting holes, and these smaller ones are the ones that I just drilled. So time to throw it on the bike. Alright guys, so there it is, all mounted up. I'm going to be adding some washers to the rear bolts just because I forgot how much smaller they were than the front. But yeah, overall super happy with it. Everything came out straight. Alright, so that's overlooking the front of the bike. The fender came out nice and straight. Super happy with it. Alright guys, there it is. That's the YZ65 fender installed on the Sur-Ron X. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.